Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 1st of June 2007. It's 10:15 a.m. in the morning, London time, and well, I've got some time. Seems like market are pretty quiet today, Friday. So I've got some time. So I thought I could perhaps show you the setups that I'm looking into trade today, or at least I'm following today that seem appealing to me. The first of all is the Euro CHF. Okay, I'm seeing in the daily chart a bounce of the dynamic area of support in a nice trend. Okay, with the moving averages all pointing down, parallel to each other, etc., etc. And if we zoom in the 4 hours chart, we see a trend line break. Okay, to the upside. You see this trend line right there. Okay, it was tested there, and we've just today we've broken to the upside. So zooming a little bit further into the shorter time frames, we see more clearly the up thrust that we've seen today. Okay, nice thrust indeed. Okay, with momentum, plenty of green bars all pointing to the upside. Okay, and now what I'm waiting for is a retrace. Okay, perhaps to retest yesterday's higher. Okay, right there, or perhaps the actual trend line from the from above. Okay, basically we had the thrust, and I'm waiting for a pullback. Okay. In the 30-minute chart already the moving averages are pointing up. Okay, and an uptrend is being formed. So basically, like I say, what I'm looking into is a possible retrace back to this area, and then from here search for a long entry. All right. Okay, that's the Euro CHF. Let's go now into the Euro Canadian dollar. This is the second trade, the second chart I'm following today. In the 4 hours chart, we see a nice downtrend with the moving averages again all placed the way I like them to be placed. Okay, as I explained in the course that I'm preparing. Also, I see a nice triangular formation. Okay, right there, and what I'm looking to, what I would like to see is a breakout to the downside. Okay, a pullback and a continuation of the move to the downside. Okay, any breakout to the upside for the time being, at least for today, Friday, would cancel the whole thing. Thirdly, where I'm looking into the GBP is the GBP Australian dollar. Nice downtrend on the hourly chart. Okay, with a level that's been working as a support a few times. This level right below the 239 round number. It's worked as support there, and then it worked as resistance this morning, early in the morning, right there, and now we are retesting it. Okay, moreover, the downtrend, okay, from the last the intraday trend line from yesterday, coming from yesterday's high right there, it's been tested there, and now it's been retested once again. Okay, and now if we move into the intraday time frames, I'm seeing that the trend line is breaking to the downside. Okay, the direction that I'd like to I like it to break. Okay, so basically I'm just looking for my typical formation. Okay, in order to trigger my short entry right there. Okay. And lastly, now the Australian dollar against the GBP, okay, the JPY, sorry, the Japanese yen. In the 30-minute chart, we're also seeing a nice uptrend. Okay, as per my moving averages, we are now retracing back into the area I like to buy from, which is the dynamic area of support. Very beautiful moving average formation. Okay, retesting yesterday's high, and also the 50% Fibonacci level, which, as you guys know by now, is my favorite Fibonacci level right there. Okay, and retesting, like I said, yesterday's high right there. So in the short, this is the 30-minute chart. So in the 5-minute chart, I'm going to be looking into any possible reversal formation. Okay, breaking this trend line that I'm marking now in red right now. As usual, if this level breaks to the downside, at least I will cancel the setup for today. What I'm looking into is my typical formation, okay, my typical reversal formation with a trend line, with an intraday trend line break to the upside. Okay. Well, those are basically the four setups that I'm following today. Like I said, I just wanted to just a quick update. Market seems pretty quiet, so I had plenty of time. So I said, well, why not showing it to the guys, okay, and upload it to the into the website. All right, guys, I'll pause this video. If any of the setups trigger, I will let you know. Okay. We have today, in a few hours time, in about 3 hours time, we have the non-farm payrolls, okay, which is, as you guys know, is a massive fundamental news coming out in the market. Probably one of them after the interest rates decisions from the central banks. The non-farm payrolls is the biggest announcement of the month. So gotta be very careful with any trade around that area. Okay. All right, that's all for now. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector again. Just a quick update to let you know that I've triggered my sell order on the GBP Australian dollar 1 minute ago. So you can see that's my entry level right there. I've just triggered. Let me zoom into the 5-minute chart. It's I've seen a trend line, a retracement trend line breakout. Oops, my Windows, my Outlook has just crashed. Anyway, breakout of the retracement trend line with a pullback and yeah, continuation making new lows. That's my entry. Stop loss. I've stretched my stop loss a little bit. It should have been right there, but it was just so close. It would have been just a 5 pip stop, 10 pip stop loss, and that's way too. That's way too short. Okay, so I've decided to stretch it above this level that I'm basing my trade on. Okay, this level right there, that's been working multiple times as support and resistance, and furthermore I've stretched it another 5 pips above the 239.00 round number. Okay. That's well, that's basic. Oh yeah, the target. The target, as usual, measuring the whole potential move of the trade, takes me down here, but we have the round number, the 238 round number, about 20 pips above. I don't want to have that mark in the middle of the way, so I've placed my stop loss a few pips above that 238.00 round number. Okay, I'm giving up perhaps about 20-25 pips of this move, but nonetheless, I don't want to risk it. Okay, I'm very conservative with my trades, with my targets, so that's I've decided to cut short my target for 20 pips. I'll take half of my position at the low of the day and move stop to break even at this precise level, 238.40 right there. Okay, half out at this point and stop will be moved to break even, and I will let the second half of the trade run to its full potential target. Okay. Well, that's about it, guys. I'll pause the video now and I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. Just a quick update to let you know that I've taken half of my position out on my left account right there at plus 20 pips, and I've moved to stop to break even. Alright, bye bye. Hi guys. Just a final update because my shift is about to finish at the markets for today. This trade is still open. So far plus 20 out of the market. That right now the second half is at plus 25. Came within 5 pips to stopping me out, but it has bounced back down. So I'm just gonna let this thing run to its full potential target, and I'm calling it a day. All right.